In this video, you will be shown how to assign input data to a point source element. Right-click on the point source element and select Properties. There are two types of discharge methods you can choose from: a constant pattern or a time series. When choosing a constant pattern, you can define a mean discharge value which can be combined with an annual, weekly, or daily pattern. Patterns must be generated before they can be selected. The second option is choosing a time series from the Talsim Time Series Manager. Find the desired time series and click Select Time Series. Now you can save the data entered for your discharge component as well as any other changes made to the element. You can remove an already selected time series by selecting the time series name and clicking Remove.